According to Article 300.5 of the National Electrical Code, direct buried underground electrical conductors shall be installed at a minimum depth of 18 inches. Where underground electrical conductors cross a roadway, including driveways, the minimum depth shall be 24 inches. Where underground electrical conductors are installed in a concrete slab, the minimum cover shall be 3 inches, measured from the top of the concrete slab. The minimum depth for underground wiring is 18 inches. The assertion that the depth can be reduced to 8 to 10 inches if a 4-inch concrete slab is installed over the area is also correct, according to the exceptions specified in Article 300.5. Firstly, you could install the underground wiring at a depth of 18 to 20 inches. Secondly, you could install the underground wiring at a depth of 8 to 10 inches and cover it with a 4-inch concrete slab. Based on the NEC, either of these options are acceptable. The electrician should not charge an additional fee to install the wiring at a shallower depth as long as a concrete slab is installed over the area.